Hi there, I'm Dan Levin, manager of Pellman's Automotive. Thank you for making an appointment for service with us. I want to let you know that this appointment request you can do online on the form below is not a guarantee of an appointment. If you have an urgent need to get in soon, please call us at 303-938-4050. If you're a little bit more flexible with your timing, the more information you can give us in this form, the better. One of our advisors will get in contact with you as soon as they receive this communication via email to set up an appointment time. Once you're on the schedule for an appointment, you should receive a reminder text 3 days before your appointment, so look for that. We have several ways to drop the vehicle off. Business hours are 8 to 5:30. You're welcome to come in during business hours. It is important to us to get the vehicles here in the morning. We prefer to have them all here between 8 and 9 a.m. so that we can get them checked in, dispatched, inspected, and hopefully provide you same-day service. It's never a guarantee, but it's always our goal. The other way you can drop off is our night box. Our night box is open 24/7. You will find our Early Bird Night Owl After Hours drop box located to the right of the main entrance by the delivery door. This box is equipped with pens and envelopes so that you can fill it out, put all of your contact information, why the vehicle is here, put the keys in it, slide it through the mail slot on the door, lock your vehicle, go home. We got you. We'll be in touch. Once the vehicle has been dropped off, the repair order is created, it's been dispatched to a technician. The first sign that you're going to have that things are happening with your vehicle is you're going to receive your inspection. That's your sign that the technician is done with his initial inspection. A service advisor will then, based on the needs of the vehicle, build estimates and get in contact with you, either through text, through voicemail, or through email, whichever you've requested, or all three if you prefer. Once the vehicle has been completed and the work is done and the invoice is created, they'll email you a copy of that invoice. You can always request a paper one if you prefer. We can do the whole thing paperless if that's the way you'd rather go. And then the vehicle can be picked up after hours or during business hours. We have an after hours drop box. We can send you very specific instructions on how to enter the code, get your keys, unlock your vehicle and drive it home 24/7. Or we're here for your needs 8 to 5:30 Monday through Friday. We appreciate you. Thanks so much.